Welcome to my channel. In 2025, making money online has never been easier, and you don't need any special skills, experience, or even a lot of effort. The internet is filled with opportunities that require minimal work, allowing you to generate passive income with little to no effort. AI and automation tools have revolutionized online money making it possible to earn $100 or more per day without spending hours in front of a screen. From AI-generated content to automated e-commerce stores, there are plenty of ways to make money while barely lifting a finger. The key to success lies in leveraging modern technology, outsourcing work efficiently, and utilizing platforms that do the heavy lifting for you. One of the easiest ways to earn money online is through AI-assisted print-on-demand and digital products. AI tools like Midjourney, Canva AI, and ChatGPT can help you create t-shirt designs, digital planners, and ebooks, which you can sell on platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, and Etsy. Once uploaded, these products sell passively, generating income without ongoing effort. Similarly, stock image platforms now allow AI-generated artwork, meaning you can create and sell stunning images without being a professional photographer or designer. The best part is that AI removes the need for creativity. Simply input a prompt, generate a high-quality design, and upload it to your store. To maximize profits, you can research trending keywords and niches to create designs that people are actively searching for, ensuring your products get discovered and purchased. Another lazy money-making method is YouTube automation and affiliate marketing. You don't need to be on camera or record your own voice to run a successful YouTube channel. AI can generate scripts, voiceovers, and even edit videos for you. Pairing this with affiliate marketing by embedding links in your video descriptions or blog posts can further boost your earnings. AI tools like Jasper and Surfer SEO make content creation effortless, ensuring that your blog ranks well in search engines, bringing in steady commissions. By targeting evergreen topics like personal finance, tech reviews, and self-improvement, you can create content that continues to earn revenue for years to come. To get started, use AI tools to write engaging video scripts, add stock footage or AI-generated visuals, and schedule automated uploads. Over time, you can build a YouTube channel that generates ad revenue, affiliate sales, and sponsorship deals, all without creating content manually. If you want an even more hands-off approach, consider renting out your unused data or running an automated dropshipping business. Apps like Honeygain and PacketStream pay you for sharing your internet bandwidth in the background while you go about your day. Meanwhile, AI-driven dropshipping stores automate everything from product selection to customer service, allowing you to make sales without ever handling inventory. Shopify integrations with AI chatbots and automated ad targeting make it easier than ever to run a business on autopilot. This means that as long as you set up your store correctly and optimize your ad campaigns, you can consistently generate sales without needing to micromanage your business. For those who want an even lazier approach, platforms like Zendrop and Spocket handle product fulfillment, while AI-generated ads help you scale your business without lifting a finger. Finally, passive crypto income and online courses offer long-term earning potential. AI trading bots can manage cryptocurrency investments for you, while staking platforms provide interest on your holdings. Additionally, AI can help you create and sell online courses with minimal effort using tools like Synthesia to generate video content automatically. By leveraging AI and automation, you can build multiple streams of income with very little work, making online money making easier than ever before. If you have knowledge in a particular field, you can use AI to turn it into a sellable course on platforms like Udemy and Teachable. AI can generate lesson plans, video content, and even quizzes, allowing you to package and sell your knowledge without spending months creating material from scratch. The best part, once your course is live, you can make money passively as students enroll and complete the material. Beyond these methods, there are countless other ways to make lazy money online. From AI-assisted voiceover work to automated real estate investing through crowdfunding platforms, the opportunities are endless. The secret is to find a method that aligns with your interests, automate as much of the process as possible, and focus on scaling your earnings. Whether you choose print on demand, YouTube automation, or passive crypto income, the key to success is consistency and leveraging the right tools. Which method are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy money-making tips.